Very good morning. Today we are going to present our principle of packaging. This is Serunding Kelapa. And our group consists of 4 members, which is myself, Major Minanku, Muhammad AHIRUDIN bin SARIFUDIN, Tuan Nurin Nabila binti Tuan Muhammad SUZANI, and ZARITH SOFIA binti TUAH. So for our objective is to design packaging for a product and to determine which type of packaging is suitable for the product. Our scope for this project is deep briefing about principle of packaging, involve students to design and produce packaging that involve the principle of packaging, and the students fully understand the principle of packaging. So for the significance of the project, for this project we were given a product which is Serunding Warisan as our product. So for this project, we must design new packaging which includes primary, secondary, and tertiary packaging for the product, and a new logo which will help promote the product to the consumers. So the importance of packaging, the most basic purpose of packaging, product packaging, is to safeguard the contents. Packaging must protect the product from damage, both during transportation from the manufacturing plant to the retailer. For the history of packaging, packaging dates back to 1055, when a Persian traveler visits Cairo market, noticed that vegetables, spices, and hardware were wrapped in paper for customers after they were sold. With the passage of time, attempts were made to use natural materials such as reed baskets, wooden boxes, pottery vases, and woven bags. For the primary packaging, often known as consumer or retail packaging, is the packaging that comes into direct touch with the product itself. And for the secondary packaging, the packaging that keeps a product's constituent units together is referred to as secondary packaging. It is intended to transport large quantities of the good to the point of sale or the end user rather than to actually hold the goods. And for the tertiary packaging, bulk packaging and transportation packaging are common names for tertiary packaging. It is utilized to deliver greater quantities of items in a secure and safe manner. For the drop test imitates a package falling freely onto its surface, edge, and corners. In order to accomplish this, the box is loaded with the desired good and dropped from a specific height. This makes it possible to simulate the actual shipping condition. And I'll pass the next slide to my other group members.
Hi, my name is Muhammad AHIRUDIN and I will talk about the company brief introduction. Our group chose the Serunding Warisan as our main production. One of locally product goods in Malaysia is Serunding Warisan. Serunding Warisan is a recently launched product. The Serunding Warisan focus is on Serunding Kelapa. Blended coconut is the main ingredient in Serunding Kelapa. Sometimes it's called the Serunding, which is prepared with chilies and other spices. Serunding Kelapa is typically eaten with glutinous rice or as stuffing for cucur badak, fried sweet potato dumplings. We are using the glass bottle to improve the Serunding Warisan family packaging. The glass is impermeable and non-porous. This prevents it from absorbing flavors or odors. Glass packaging and finished product do not interact. It is therefore ideal for delicate product like Serunding. It has a chemistry interaction rate that is almost zero. As a result, the finished product within the glass container preserve its flavor, aroma, and taste for longer period. The Serunding Warisan produce about 100 plastic containers per day. And because of that, we are improvising the use of secondary packaging. One box can fit about 6 glass of jar bottle. And the secondary boxes also very sturdy, so it does not crumble when falls. We found out that the surrounding Warisan having problem with their secondary and tertiary packaging, so we improvised their lackingness. We utilize packaging design that eliminates or reduce the use of tapes, wraps, and many more. It is because to reduce the cost, we also choose less bulky cushioning material by using more efficient material to keep the product safe from damage during shipping, such as less bulky cushioning. Corrugated cases can be reduced in size and weight. This helps reduce the use and cost of fuel and energy.
So, for the first question, we asked about respondent gender. The pie chart shows that almost 80% of the respondents are female and the other 20% are male. Based on the pie chart, 43.3% are in the age range of 21 to 23 years. Meanwhile, another 40% is between 24 years and above. The rest, 16.7%, is between 18 to 20 years old. Based on the charts above, 86.7% of the respondents know about packaging of products. Meanwhile, 30.3% don't. 70.7% of the respondents both agree that packagings need to be colourful. Meanwhile, 23.3% are not. So, by refer to the pie charts, almost 53.3% of the respondents prefer to use plastic and 40% like to use glass, and the rest prefer to use aluminium can for our surrounding product. So from the chart above, we can see that most of respondents agree to use biodegradable material and only 3.3% prefer not to use. So for the next question, almost 86.7% of the respondents agree. Meanwhile, only 13.3% votes not agree to use plastics as our primary packaging. Finally, we can see that almost 66.7% of the respondents see that our secondary packagings are secure. The rest are not agree that our packaging is secure.
Okay, so this is our prototype. So basically, we use primary packaging. We use the plastic bottle, and then the secondary packaging, we build the box. But for this prototype, we just can fill the bottle, two bottle of primary packaging, and then the tertiary packaging we can just fill two box of the secondary packaging. So this is for our prototype. But our primary packaging, we use the plastic bottle cup over plastic container because the container, like the previous packaging for surrounding, not secure the surrounding. So the surrounding can easily getting moldy, even not expired yet. So we choose this to make the packaging more secure for the surrounding. Next, for the label. So we also designed the new label for our packaging. So this is for the primary packaging. So this is our label to stick on our bottle. All the information needed we have concrete in one label. So we have the label that show our product, and then we have our product company, and then we put coconut picture here so that the customer can know this is the serunding kelapa. Okay, next, this is our secondary packaging. We choose the box as our secondary packaging, but the box can fit 6 bottle of serunding. Plus, we put the divider between the bottle to secure it and prevent any movement. So, the customer are easy to buy the serunding in bundle. So, this is the picture, just our prototype. But the real design, we can put 6 bottle of the serunding. The next one is tertiary packaging. So the tertiary packaging also which is box, but this time this box can fit 12 boxes of secondary packaging. Usually, this type of packaging used to export and the product in a big quantity. Okay, okay. We also do the test, which is drop test. So, for our prototype, we have conduct drop test for our packaging, and this is the result after the test. So, basically, our overall our packaging are secure, are safe. The primary packaging was safe, but the tertiary packaging have some defect at the certain parts of boxes. But overall, the packaging was so secure and safe for our product. We also apply some cushioning, which is bubble wrap, to wrap the secondary packaging before putting it in tertiary packaging. Thank you. Okay, next, for the conclusion, packaging can be thought of as a well-organized system for setting up product for sale, warehousing, logistic, and final usage. Packaging helps to transport, protect, preserve, inform, and sell. Packaging can be helpful in terms of marketing and making a product more attractive to potential consumer. It can also improve in extending a product's shelf life. The right packaging can also protect a product from damage during transport. In short, packaging design is extremely important and should be given the attention it deserves. From this project, students can develop new design for the packaging by improve the old packaging design with the new suitable design for Serunding Warisan. I think that's all from us. Have a nice day. Thank you.